Let's do our last three where we're evaluating expressions. So we're going to substitute in our values. So 4 times y times z is 4 times -3 times 4. And then we're adding 6 times -2 times -3. So feel free to use your calculator on these. So we've got 4 times -3 times 4 gives us -48. And then we're adding 6 times -2 times -3, which gives us 36. Okay, so if we do that addition, we end up with an answer of -12. Go ahead and pause the video, try the next two, and let's do these two together now. So we have, I'm just going to draw a line in here to kind of separate these. We have 3 times -3 times 4 minus 6 times -2 times -3 times 4, and then plus -2 squared times -3 squared. And so we get, so let's use our calculators, -36. And then we've got minus 6 times -2 times -3 times 4 gives us 144. And then plus, I guess I should have done the exponents first, but that's okay. I can do the multiplication at the same time there. We've got -2 squared gives us 4, and then -3 squared gives us 9. Now let's go ahead and do that multiplication. And that would give us 36. And then we can add these and subtract them left to right. So -36 minus 144 plus 36 ends up giving us -144. And last one of this section. So we've got -z, so that would be -4, and then minus bracket -2 times, so technically I'm just going to use a square bracket. Usually we use square brackets to show that they're outer brackets, but really they mean the same thing as round brackets. I'm just showing that I have an outer set of brackets here. So we've got -2 multiplied by x, which is -2. And then we've got minus y, which is -3, times z, which is 4. Okay, so let's first start with what's in the brackets here. And so we've got -4 minus, and then we're going to have our -2 times -2 gives us +4. And then we would have minus -12. I guess technically those should be square again then, because I still have outer brackets. Don't worry too much if you want to just use round ones to get started on these. That I don't see that as a problem. So we've got -4 minus, and then this is going to be 4 plus 12. So we've got -4 minus 16, which would give us an answer of -20.